Okay, Bestie, so I work from 11 to 5 today. It's currently 4:40 right now, and I just got my last table, so let's do a tip count. So my first table's tab was $107.67, and they tipped me 20. Then my next table's tab was $21.12, and they also tipped me 20. Then I had another table, their tab was $58.86, and they also tipped me 20. Then my next table's tab was $63.36, and they tipped me 7. Okay, my next table's tab was $69.27, and they tipped me 15. Then I had another table, their tab was $42.67, and they tipped me 8. Okay, my next table's tab was $108 even, and they tipped me $22. Then I had a table, their tab was $42.20, and they tipped me 20. Then I had a table, their tab was $35.68, and they tipped me $20.32. Then I had another table, their tab was $100.71, and they tipped me 30. My next table's tab was $21.70, and they gave me $10 cash. Okay, and then I had a table, their tab was $57.75, and they paid with $80 and told me to keep the change, which was $22.25. This is my last table for right now, but their tab was $54.99, and they paid with a $100 bill and left $8 cash on the table. Okay, I only have one more table after this, but this table's tab was $39.09, and they tipped me $10.91. Okay, so I just closed out my last table. Their tab was $26.78, and they tipped me $0. Okay, so in total today I made $233.48.